Hi everyone, my name is Tammy and I'm the Communications and Engagement Coordinator for the Alzheimer's Society of Calgary. As you know, we're only 4 weeks away for the IG Wealth Management Alzheimer Walk and Run, and today we are here to announce the big winner of the second early bird fundraising prize. So in order to be eligible, you had to raise $1,000 by yesterday at midnight. So let's see who the winner is. Jessica Cameron, thank you for your ongoing support and fundraising. You have won a $300 Visa gift card. We will be in touch with you to announce it soon. Keep fundraising, participate, share on social media. Although the event is virtual this year, it'll be better than ever. Thanks, guys.